Ka sorkar jela ha ka nyau tarik unai lur mendaga sni kala thau ya ka sub committee hapo ka jingpet u chief secretary lembat kattu kat ni ka dekhot jong ka Shillong All Faith Forum bakin pet biang ya kikendon bat ki SOP bat hadian kata kin sabha biang sya ka sorkar jela uba prostun tensong ula pentip bakan ni ka sub committee kan saya kendu jingalang biang mentak Taiew uba prostun ulo ongru balada baro ki biang ka sorkar kala ban Plie Noh ya ki jaka maniblai Naduh ka Taiew ka Nyngkong Jong ubnai Risaw mendau snem.
Ultimately, the decision was taken, number one, before reopening of, one subcommittee was decided to constitute under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, and also few members from the Shillong All Faiths Forum for revisiting back the drafting of protocols and SOPs. Let me just remind you, I would like to refresh all of us here. 2 months back, SOPs and protocols has been notified accordingly for reopening of the washing places in the state of Meghalaya. However, today in the meeting that we had with the leaders of the Shillong All Faith Forum, again we would like to revisit the previous notification issued by the government where the Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya will be the chairman, and the meeting will be held within this week itself. Point number two, the forum has expressed if everything goes well, if the situation improves, they are ready to start reopening of the worshipping places throughout the state of Meghalaya from the first week of October 2020.